Decades of work, same 9 to 5, same salary, yet when retirement comes, one person lives comfortably while the other struggles. Sounds unfair? It is, but it's also avoidable. Meet Sarah and Mark. Both earn $70,000 a year, both work hard and pay bills on time. Fast forward 30 years, Sarah retires at 60 with $1.2 million traveling, investing, living freely. Mark wakes up at 60, worried about bills, anxious about the future. How did Sarah get rich while Mark struggles? It's not luck. These tiny, invisible choices decide everything. Coffee upgrades and daily lunch splurges, gadgets, subscriptions, lifestyle creep that feels normal. Starting investing at 25 versus delaying until 35, spending first, saving later, or not at all. Each decision seems small, harmless, invisible, but over decades they add up to hundreds of thousands of dollars or more. Ask yourself, do you know where every dollar goes each month? Could invisible habits be quietly stealing your financial future? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which habits are secretly shaping your retirement and how to fix them before it's too late. And the next mistake, most people don't even realize they're making it, but it silently costs $5,000 to $10,000 every year. Every raise you get disappears the moment it hits your account. You feel richer, but you're not. This is lifestyle inflation, and it's silently stealing your future. Even a $50 coffee habit from a raise today can cost you $30,000 by retirement. Meet Jake. Every year he upgraded his phone thinking it was harmless, new apps, new gadgets, little luxuries here and there. By age 50, those small treats cost him $80,000 in lost retirement gains, all because he didn't think tiny spending mattered. The scary truth? Most people don't even notice lifestyle inflation creeping in. Every subscription, every night out, every necessary upgrade adds up. You think it's normal, you think it's affordable, but over decades, it quietly drains your future freedom. Now, compare Jake to Lisa, same salary, same raises. Lisa resisted lifestyle creep. Every raise she got, a portion went straight into investments. No excuses, no delays. By retirement, she has financial freedom and peace of mind, while Jake struggles to catch up. Ask yourself, do you automatically spend every raise, upgrade your gadgets, lifestyle, and habits the moment more money comes in? Or do you quietly invest it, letting compounding work its magic? That tiny choice makes the difference between retiring stressed or retiring rich. And here's the next punch. Recognizing lifestyle inflation is just the first step. Avoiding it consistently is what separates those who quietly build wealth from those who quietly remain stuck. But lifestyle inflation isn't the only trap quietly stealing your future. In the next module, we'll uncover another common mistake almost everyone makes, one that costs thousands every year without anyone noticing. Every year you delay investing, you're literally giving away tens of thousands of dollars that could have been yours. Tens of thousands. Imagine Emily. She starts investing $100 a month at 25. By 65, she has $275,000. David waits until 35 and invests the same $100 a month. He ends up with just $125,000. Same salary, same effort, but a decade of delay costs him $150,000. That's the power of compounding and the cost of procrastination. Most people think they have plenty of time. They wait for the perfect moment, the perfect raise, or the perfect side hustle. Meanwhile, the clock is silently working against them. Every year of delay is lost potential, lost growth, lost freedom. Here's the scary part. Starting early doesn't mean you need huge amounts. Even $50 to $100 a month, consistently invested, snowballs into life-changing sums over decades. The earlier you start, the less you need to save, and the more you benefit from compounding magic. Ask yourself, are you waiting to start? Or are you letting your future self pay the price of your inaction today? That lost opportunity isn't visible now, but by 40, 50, or 60, it can mean hundreds of thousands less in your account. The difference isn't luck. It's timing plus consistency. One person starts now and retires free. Another waits and struggles despite the same income and effort. And here's a teaser. Compounding isn't the only invisible factor quietly stealing your future. In the next module, we'll reveal another subtle habit, one that drains thousands every year even if you're saving consistently. Debt isn't just a number on a statement, it's a silent thief stealing your future, even while you feel comfortable. You work hard, pay bills, and think you're doing fine, but every month, interest quietly eats away at money that could have grown for you instead. Meet Alex. He earns $70,000 a year, works hard, pays bills, but he racks up credit card debt, carries a car loan, and still has student loans lingering from his 20s. By the time he's 60, Alex has worked just as hard as his friend Maya, but owes tens of thousands in interest he could have invested. That's money that could have compounded into a comfortable retirement. Instead, it's gone silently. Debt doesn't care about your intentions. It doesn't care about how many hours you work or how careful you think you are. Its only mission? Steal from your future while keeping you comfortably numb today. Every late payment, every high-interest loan, every minimum payment slowly erodes your freedom. Here's a tiny but powerful example. Imagine Alex makes $300 a month in credit card minimum payments. Over 20 years, that adds up to $72,000, money he could have invested in an index fund growing quietly to over $200,000 by retirement. That's the silent cost of debt. Every month you delay paying it off is money lost forever. But there's hope. Every dollar you free from debt today is a dollar that can quietly grow into your retirement freedom tomorrow. Start with high-interest debt first. Automate payments, avoid new debt unless it's low interest and strategic. And notice the psychological change. When your money stops flowing to creditors, it starts flowing to you and your future. That sense of control alone is priceless. Ask yourself, how much of your paycheck is currently working for someone else? Could your morning coffee, your streaming subscriptions, or that necessary upgrade be funding someone else's wealth while quietly draining yours? That invisible cost adds up faster than you think. Hundreds of thousands over decades if ignored. Debt isn't the only invisible factor quietly eroding your wealth. In the next module, we'll reveal another common trap that keeps people stuck, even if they're saving consistently. And this one is even sneakier. It hides in your own mind, influencing decisions without you realizing it. Now that you understand the traps, lifestyle inflation, delayed investing, and debt, it's time to face a hard truth. Your salary alone doesn't determine your financial future. Decisions do. Tiny, consistent decisions, made again and again, compound over decades into either wealth or struggle. Remember Emily? She started investing $100 a month at 25. She automated her savings. She resisted lifestyle creep when friends upgraded cars, gadgets, and vacations. That small decision compounded into financial freedom by 60, giving her choice, security, and peace of mind. David, on the other hand, waited until 35. Same salary, same effort, but by retirement, he's hundreds of thousands behind and feels the weight of every delayed decision. This isn't luck. It's deliberate action versus invisible habits. Here's what you can do today to take control. 1. Automate your savings and investments. Relying on willpower is risky. Instead, make your money work automatically. Set up direct deposits into retirement accounts, index funds, or growth-focused investments. Every paycheck, a portion moves silently to your future. You don't even have to think about it. Over decades, these automatic contributions snowball into life-changing sums. Imagine planting seeds now that grow into a forest your future self can walk through. That's the power of automation. 2. Avoid lifestyle inflation at all costs. Every raise you spend today is a future retirement dollar lost. That latte, that subscription, the annual phone upgrade, they seem small, but over decades they quietly drain tens of thousands of dollars. Resist the pull, channel raises into investments. Every dollar saved today compounds into freedom tomorrow. Think of it this way. Every purchase you delay is like giving your future self a bonus. 3. Focus on compounding, not just saving. Saving money is good, but investing is better. Even modest, consistent investments outperform sporadic, large contributions. Emily invested $100 per month at 25. By 65, she had $275,000. David waited 10 years. By 65, he had just $125,000. That's $150,000 lost, all because of delayed action. Small, consistent decisions now create exponential growth later. Don't wait for more money or the perfect moment. The earlier you start, the less pressure you'll feel and the more freedom you'll gain. 4. Neutralize debt aggressively. High interest debt is your wealth's silent assassin. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar lost to your future. Alex from Module 4 learned this the hard way. By paying down credit cards and car loans aggressively, he finally redirected those payments toward investments. Every dollar freed from debt is a dollar working quietly for you, growing silently for decades. The sooner you tackle it, the bigger your advantage. 5. Track your net worth, not just income. Income can be deceiving. You may feel rich because you earn well, but your net worth tells the real story. Track it month by month. Watch investments grow, watch debt shrink, compare progress to goals, not paychecks. Imagine seeing your net worth climb steadily while friends obsess over raises or promotions. That awareness is power. It shows what's working and what's silently eroding your future. 6. Master your mindset. Your psychology matters as much as your paycheck. Avoid impulsive spending. Resist procrastination. Don't compare yourself to peers who seem to be winning. Make decisions aligned with long-term goals, not fleeting emotions. The fear you feel about retiring broke isn't inevitable. It's a warning, a signal to act. Each disciplined choice, no matter how small, stacks up over time. Here's the hard truth. One person retires rich because they make small, disciplined decisions consistently. Another retires broke despite earning the same salary because they let invisible habits, debt, and delayed action dictate their future. Remember, Emily, David, and Alex, they are not extraordinary. They simply understood the power of small, consistent decisions and acted. You can too. Start today. Automate. Avoid lifestyle creep. Invest. Pay down debt. Track your net worth. Master your mindset. Now, you know the invisible traps and the smart decisions that can overcome them. The choice is yours. Will you let money slip away or start building your freedom today? Every day you delay is money lost. Every day you act is a step toward independence, security, and peace of mind. The earlier you start, the bigger the impact, and the closer you get to retiring rich rather than struggling. Even after controlling lifestyle inflation, investing early, and eliminating debt, most people still fail. Why? Because the biggest obstacle isn't money, it's your mind. Meet David. Same salary as Emily, same effort. He saw friends upgrading their cars, buying new gadgets, taking lavish vacations. He thought, I deserve this too. That one impulsive decision, justifying one more upgrade, delayed his retirement by years. That's how invisible psychological traps quietly sabotage wealth. Here's a short list of the most common traps. Impulsivity, spending before thinking about long-term consequences. Social comparison, feeling pressured to match peers' lifestyles. Procrastination, delaying investing or paying off debt. Overconfidence, believing you know enough to skip steps or take unnecessary risks. Every swipe, every impulsive purchase, every just this once moment silently steals your freedom. By 60, those small choices have compounded into tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars lost. And the emotional impact? Real regret, anxiety, stress, watching others retire comfortably while you wonder if you'll make it. But here's the hopeful truth. Awareness is power. The moment you recognize these traps, you can start rewiring your habits and your mindset. You can stop letting your impulses, comparisons, and overconfidence make decisions for you. You can start letting your money and your future work for you. Ask yourself right now, how many tiny psychological mistakes have you made this week? How many unnecessary purchases, procrastinated payments, or impulsive financial decisions are silently shaping your retirement? Recognizing them is the first step. Acting on them consistently is the second. And here's the teaser. In the next and final module, we'll put it all together, traps, habits, mindset, and show the exact steps to make your money work for you instead of against you. No guesswork, no procrastination, just simple, proven actions that can change everything. This is the moment that decides whether you retire broke or wealthy. Everything you've learned up to now comes down to one thing: action. Not luck, not income, not timing. Action. Remember Emily? She started investing $100 a month at 25. She automated her savings. She resisted lifestyle creep. That small, consistent decision compounded into financial freedom by 60. By contrast, David waited 10 years, same salary, same effort. By retirement, he's hundreds of thousands behind, all because he delayed action. Even small amounts matter. $50 invested today grows to over $100,000 by retirement. That latte you buy daily, over decades it could cost you $30,000. Every tiny choice, investing, spending, paying off debt, resisting impulse, adds up. And the consequences of ignoring them are just as real. Alex from Module 4, who let debt quietly steal his money, could have freed those payments for investing instead. Every dollar that goes to interest today is a dollar that won't grow quietly for decades. Every late decision, every moment you delay, multiplies over time. Now ask yourself, are you letting invisible forces decide your retirement, or are you taking control today? Every choice, no matter how small, has a compounding effect. The person who retires rich isn't smarter, luckier, or better. They start early, act consistently, and avoid the traps that keep most people broke. Here's your action plan right now. 1. Start investing today. Automate even small amounts. Consistency beats timing every time. 2. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Every raise or bonus is an opportunity to invest, not spend. 3. Eliminate high-interest debt aggressively. Free every dollar from creditors and let it work for you. 4. Track your net worth. Awareness drives discipline, watch progress, and course correct. 5. Master your mindset. Resist impulsive spending, social comparison, procrastination, and overconfidence. Decisions aligned with goals build freedom. Imagine looking back at 65, knowing every small choice you made built your freedom. Now imagine realizing you started too late, missing tens or hundreds of thousands because of delay. That regret is real. You can avoid it. You can be like Emily, starting small, acting consistently, and building a secure, free future. The truth is simple. Start now, act consistently, and let compounding work its magic. The moment is yours, the decisions are yours. Every small choice today shapes the life you'll live tomorrow. Don't let it slip away.